some Disney Mickey Mouse chocolate eggs, but not that chocolate, with surprise. We got 2 of those, one for me and one for you. So let's unbox it.
Wow!
Ugh. Oh my god, there's chocolate. See, there's chocolate. Ooh, we got the surprise. We're gonna unbox this later, but before that, oh, what is this for? I think this is for eat.
I see you.
Oh, that's right.
Spoon, like a spoon.
That's right, guys. Oh my god, it's like brownies. Oh my god, see, look at this.
Hey, you can.
Let's try it.
This.
Bismillah.
Yeah, I don't understand.
Oh my god! You got the special.
Yeah.
Okay. Ada yang dog.
Tasty. So we gotta put that over here. Now let's unbox this.
What again?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I got it! It's golden!
Golden! There's some brush.
Golden Pro.
Yeah. Let's see the collectibles. You kidding me?
Dapat apa tuh?
You oh my god!
Apa?
We just got the special edition. See, we got the special edition. Oh my god!
This has Mickey! This has Mickey golden!
Oh my god! The best day of our lives.
Hi.
Put it here.
But sorry, I will put this here.
My god. We just got the special collection. Find the gold surprise. Oh my god.
But we must.
And 2 of these are gold. But how did we get it? Oh my god, I'm gonna just throw up. And do some crazy thing.
This is a gold.
Alright, and before we close the video, I just wanna say to you guys, thank you for my 20 subscribers. Eat this if you want to subscribe more. Yeah. Buy this at Indonesia or at your continent. Look. Look, this is so many. Like this. Crispy. Here. So yummy.
Good. Very.
We are enjoying with this golden, but I'm not too excited when I got this because, and you know. Alright, so that's all for today. We're gonna enjoy some chocolates again, and this is not my channel but his channel, Hanan Plays. Subscribe to his channel and
Your channel.
yep, my channel, Titanium Bricks.
Yep.
Alright guys,